What's up, everybody? Welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a mole sauce. I know what you're thinking. Mole sauces are very complex and time consuming, but I'm going to show you a way to make it easy and fast. Okay, first thing to get our sauce started, we're going to brown some onions and garlic. Cook these for about a minute, 2 minutes until lightly browned. So now that we got our onions and garlic going, we're going to add this trail mix. This has everything I'm looking for. It has dry fruit, nuts, chocolate. We're gonna add that and get that going until the raisins and some of this dried fruit is hydrated. You can see the raisins and the cranberries plumping up, the dried mango, the papaya, all the stuff you have in a trail mix pack so you don't have to go searching for every ingredient in the store. Okay, now that our chocolate is melted and our fruit is hydrated, we are going to add some chicken stock. Now that we added the chicken stock, we're going to add some Abuelita, some Mexican hot chocolate. I'm going to stir that up until it's melted. And now we're going to add our chili powders. This is another shortcut in this process. Usually you have to buy dried chilies, toast them, rehydrate them, then puree them. So instead we're going to use chili powders to make this process faster. So we got 2 tablespoons of chili ancho, 2 tablespoons of guajillo, 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper, ½ teaspoon of cumin, one tablespoon of brown sugar, quarter cup of tomato paste, two teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. So earlier I toasted off some tortillas and we're going to rip those up and add those to our sauce. So now you're just looking for your chocolate to be nice and melted. And then after that, we're going to take it to the blender and puree everything. So now that we have all our ingredients together, we are going to puree them. And make it nice and velvety smooth. So now we have our sauce in our container. We're going to put our lid on. And we're going to leave this little lid off because our sauce is hot. And we're going to cover that with a towel so our blender doesn't blow up on us. Nice and smooth. That's how we want it. So we have our mole sauce all nicely pureed. You can use this sauce for numerous amounts of things, to make chicken enchiladas, to make pork tamales. You can either slather it on your ribs and barbecue it during the summer. But today we're going to make chicken tacos with this. I have some leftover rotisserie chicken. So we're gonna use some of this paste, mix it up. Throw it on some tortillas. I have some pickled vegetables that I have in the fridge as well. So we're gonna put that all together and make a nice, delicious snack. So now that we have all this mixed together, we're just gonna assemble our tacos. A little bit of chicken. Pickled veg. A little cheese. Some cilantro. And a squeeze of lime. And that's it, an easy, delicious mole sauce that you can use basically for anything. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate your support. Until next time, peace.